Welcome, I'm Richard Blazevich and I'll be your instructor for this course. You're about to learn a highly effective way to write resumes and cover letters that will get you into job interviews. I'll show you that why writing resumes the old-fashioned way, which is write one resume and send it out to multiple employers, I'll show you why that doesn't work anymore. Because of computer screening programs that filter out resumes that don't meet their criteria, those one-size-fits-all resumes don't work anymore. I'll show you how to customize each resume so you're much more likely to get into job interviews. I've been a corporate recruiter for 20 years, so I know exactly what employers are looking for when they're screening resumes. I've also done years of research on what makes an effective resume. I've published 3 books about job hunting, and I also teach classes to university students to show them how to get the jobs they want. I've taken all the best information from that research, from those books, and from those classes, and I've included it in this course. So you will learn exactly what you need to do to write the resume and the cover letter that will get you the job that you want. This course is broken up into 6 sections. First, the introduction, which we're in right now, and then there are going to be 4 sections with the content, and I'm going to bring it all together with a recap at the end. I do want to acknowledge that this may seem like a very intimidating process. Many of you may have been looking for a job for a while, or you're just starting to job hunt now. It doesn't have to feel like you're jumping through a bunch of hoops. It doesn't have to feel intimidating. I'm here to help it make sense, and I'm here to walk you through the process in a way that it doesn't seem so scary. My goal of this class is to make you successful in your job hunt so that when recruiters look at your resume and they look at your cover letter, they're going to approve you to come in for job interviews. Let's say that you're starting out and you don't have a map, you don't have directions, you may not even be sure where you are. And you may feel like there are all kinds of obstacles, there are traps, there are tricks, there are things that are going to get in the way of you finding your dream job. I'm going to be your tour guide. I'm going to give you directions every step of the way. So you might want to think of it as my job is to build a bridge from where you are right now to where you need to be to have the perfect resume and the perfect cover letter. Along this route, we're going to have 4 stops. At the first stop, I'm going to show you how the hiring process works. And I'm going to look at it from both the computer standpoint and the human standpoint. Most employers are using computers to screen resumes and cover letters first, and then they get a human to look at the resumes who make it through the screening process. So I'll explain that whole process to you. Then we'll move on to building your resume. And I'm going to show you how to build a resume that works very much like a key. Each resume should be designed specifically to open up each opportunity. So I'm not going to take you through one resume fits all. That's not the approach we're going to do in this class. We're going to do an approach that will unlock each opportunity with a custom resume. Then I'll show you how to write cover letters, and cover letters are going to be very simple. It'll be much quicker and much easier than writing resumes. Writing resumes will be easy. I'll show you how to do it in a way that's very simple, but the cover letters should be extremely simple. And the cover letters are really designed to wow the employers. So when you send them a cover letter, you're going to want it to grab their attention, and I'll show you how to do that. And then finally, we'll go through the process of actually applying for jobs. I'll show you how to submit your resumes and your cover letters to some popular online job posting sites, as well as submitting them directly to the employers. Those are the topics we're going to be covering in this class. I look forward to this journey with you. I look forward to walking you through this process. And in the end, you will have amazing resumes, amazing cover letters, and it'll be much easier for you to get the job that you want.